Hello students, in our last class of Merchant of Venice, we were up to here, 75, page number 75, Act 2, Scene 5, and we are on this line, okay. For I did dream of moneybags tonight. I had finished here, up to here, okay. Now in this class, I'm going to start from Lancelot, okay. So take out your books, page number 75, Act 2, Scene 5, continuation. Lancelot, I beseech you, sir. That means I request you, sir. Lancelot is requesting. Go, my young master doth expect your reproach. That go for supper, my master Bassanio. Young master, that means Bassanio. Bassanio is Lancelot's new master, isn't it? That is why he is talking for his master, that his master is expecting Shylock to come to the party, come to the dinner, okay. Now Shylock, so do I his, okay, I am too eager to meet him. I am also very interested to meet with him. It will be my pleasure if I meet with him, okay. Now Lancelot, and they have conspired together. I will not say you shall see a mask, but if you do, then it was not for nothing that my nose fell a bleeding on Black Monday last at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is the morning, falling out that year on Ash Wednesday was 4 year in the afternoon. So Lancelot is giving here some biblical references. So he's saying that they have planned together. I do not say that you will see a masked procession. So they had a plan. They had a plan to make or arrange a mask party. Okay. And I'm not saying about much about that. Then there will definitely be a reason behind what happened at 6 o'clock in the morning on Easter Monday. Black Monday, that means Easter Monday. It explains Easter, you know, when the resurrection of Jesus Christ was happened. It was called Easter. It explains why my nose bled that day. Easter falling that year on Ash Wednesday just 4 years ago. So it is a black summon. It is a bad woman for the Christians. Okay. And Lancelot is giving some hints about the upcoming trouble or the upcoming ups and downs that is going to be happen with Shylock. That his daughter is going to leave him, or rather she's conspiring to elope with Lorenzo. So he's giving some hints to Shylock, but Shylock was quite unaware of the fact. So Shylock, what are their masks? Here, you, me, Jessica, lock up my doors, and when you hear the drum and the wild squealing of the re-necked fife, clamber not you up to the casements then. So Jessica, he's telling Jessica to lock the doors properly, and if the mask party will go on from the road, you please do not peep from the window. So he's warning Jessica. Shylock is warning Jessica about that. Not thrust your head into the public street, and don't go out of the house, and in the publicly you don't attend the party which will pass from here to gaze on Christian fools. So Shylock is addressing Bassanio and his friends as Christian fools with varnished faces. Varnished faces, that means faces ornamented with masks or maybe some kinds of makeups, all these things. But stop my house's ears. House's ears, that means the windows, the doors, and any kind of openings or entrances that may bring the sound into the house. I mean my casements. Let not the sound of shallow foppery enter my sober house. So he is telling the things that is coming, the things or the sounds of the masked party as the shallow foppery. Shallow foppery, that means shallow means idle here, and foppery means foolery. that idle foolery. These are the imaginations of the Christians' fools' brains, and that is why they are acting like that, in that manner. Okay, so but I will foppery enter my sober house. By Jacob's staff, I swear, I have no mind of feasting forth tonight. So he is taking the oath of Jacob, and that he is not willing to go to the party. He is telling that, but I will go. But he will definitely go, because he had some intentions to go there. Go you before me, Sirrah. Say I will come. So he is telling Lancelot that you please go ahead and tell them that I am coming for the supper. I will obviously attend the supper party with Bassanio. So what is Lancelot telling? Lancelot is telling that I will go before, sir. So yes, I will go before you, and I will tell them about that you are coming to the party. So, mistress, look out at window. So he's telling to Jessica that you please look out of the window, while Shylock was forbidding Jessica not to peep out of the window. So for all this, there will come a Christian by. So there will come a Christian means Lorenzo. So again, Lancelot is giving some hints to Jessica that Lorenzo will be there in the masked party, will be worth a Jew's eyes. So it will be worth a Jew's eye. That means the Christian needs your or deserves your attention, because he will come and take you from here. So that was their plan, na? So that is why he's telling that. So Lancelot is giving a lot hints to Jessica and to Shylock also. But Shylock, who was not aware of the fact, he was totally in the darkness of the truth. Okay. So exit. Exit means who exits? Lancelot exits. Then Shylock, what says that fool of Hagar's offspring? Ha! So that means he's telling some bad words towards Lancelot. What did that fool tell you? Okay, Hagar's offspring. 16 offspring, that means outcastle, that means issue, or a son or a daughter, that we call offspring. So fool's son, he is also a fool too. So what is he saying? What did the fool was saying to you? Jessica, his words were, farewell, mistress, nothing else. He was telling, just he is taking farewell from me. Nothing else he had told to me. Shylock, the patch is kind enough, but a huge feeder, snails low in profit, and he sleeps by day more than the wild cat drones hive, not with me. Therefore I part with him. So he is telling some negative points of Lancelot, because that were the reasons why Shylock leave him. Shylock don't want to keep him in his company anymore. So what were that? Because he was idle. He slept a lot in the daytime, and that is very idle. And a servant like him don't do like this kind of things. And drones, that means drones are the idols. They are idlers. That means they sleep at the daytime very much. You know, bees and drones, these are the drones. This is a male bees. Not with me. Therefore, I part with. That was the reason I did not want it to keep him anymore in my company, and part with him too. One, that I would have him help to waste his borrowed purse. Well, Jessica, go in. And he was a spendthrift, and he wasted a lot, and I don't want that kind of person with me anymore. Well, Jessica, go in. Okay, Jessica, you now go inside the house. Perhaps I will return immediately. It may happen that I will return immediately after the supper completed, and this will take not much time. Do as I bid you. What I have told you, what I have forbidden you to not to do, you please obey those things. shut doors after you. When you are going inside the house, you shut all the doors and windows properly. Okay. First bind, first find. Who did everything first forward, he gets everything first as reward. Okay. A proverb never stale in thrifty mind. So it's a proverb and it is never stale. It never get old. Okay. So it is truth all the time. So Jessica is telling, farewell, and if my fortune be not crossed, I have a father, you a daughter lost. So if my fortune not crossed, that if fortune does stand by me, if farewell, she's telling her father, farewell father, you have lost a daughter and I a father. And if everything will go properly, then you will lose your daughter and I am going to lose my father. That means she is going to elope with Lorenzo, and that means Shylock is going to lose his daughter, and Jessica is going to lose her father. So that was the end here. We have completed our syllabus up to the final exam. Okay, and for the final exam you have to read the text quite carefully and minutely and vividly, and please learn these word meanings given below at every page. Okay, so I will discuss the question answers and I will give you the question answers in my later classes. Okay, thank you.